Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have a very exciting news. I made it to top 15 for the Face Awards Singapore 2018. I would like to thank NYX Professional Makeup Singapore and all the this year's sponsors for the goodies and for everything else. Thank you so much. Okay, so let's get started. We had a get together I think last week, and NYX actually gave us more goodies on top of this. So let's see what's inside. Ooh, I am really excited for this. This is the I Love You So Mochi, and this is in electric pastel. It looks so nice. I'm so happy that they gave us this because I love the colors in here. They are so bright. I am a very dramatic person. I love colors. So this is awesome. Ooh. Ooh. This is a very nice topper that you put on top of your eyeshadow. Next, we have this Love Contours All palette. Oh, they have eyeshadow, highlight, contour, and also eyebrow. Oh, mirror, of course. I love mirrors in palettes. They are very useful. Okay, so this is eyeshadows, and then highlights, contours, and for eyebrows. It's like all in one. And the eyeshadow colors are all very neutral. Okay, last but not least, glitter. Oh wow, I love it. Time for the unboxing. Okay, you can see the box. I already opened up the box and my cat really sat on it, and you can see the band. Because cats and boxes, they are like. So I'm so excited to see what we have here. Let's start off with this bag. This is from Vichy. This is our this year's sponsor. These are the three of them, the sponsors. So we start with Vichy. Oh, what's inside? I'm guessing this is a moisturizer. I'm not too sure what this is. Vichy Skin Fortifying Daily Booster. Yay! Thank you, Vichy! Next, we have Garnier. I love their makeup remover. And I love Garnier as a brand. Thank you, Garnier! Oh, we have a card.
Congratulations on reaching the top 15 on the NYX Face Awards. Here's a little something from the Garnier Singapore team. Three of our serum masks to rehydrate and rejuvenate your skin. We hope you love it. Do remember to tag us at GarnierSG and hashtag GarnierSG in any pictures. Take care, GarnierSG, thank you!
So we have Sakura White. We have Hydra Bomb. And also Light Complete. Thank you so much, Garnier, for this. Okay, next. Ooh, I am so excited for this. Okay, so this is from L'Oreal Colorista. Thank you so much, Colorista, for this. Okay, so we have this Colorista washout. Oh, it lasts up to 2 weeks. Oh, I love the color. One is like lavender, lilac color, and one is, I think, it looks a bit like burgundy, reddish burgundy. But I love this. I can't wait to try it. And it lasts up to 2 weeks. And between 7 to 15 shampoo. Thank you so much. We have two more from Colorista. What is this? This is One Day Hair Color Spray. Oh, nice. This is grey. They put that grey hair. yeah, grey hair, and they put here, this is turquoise hair. Oh yes, I can't wait to use this on my look. Thank you so much to this year's sponsors. I really love it. Last but not least are all makeup from NYX. Okay, let's see what we get. Oh, that's a letter.
Hey Siti Nadia, congratulations on making it to top 15. We hope that you are super excited for next round. Drop Dead Gorgeous. We are looking forward to see all the amazing looks that you will be creating. As this is 100% voting round, we encourage you to start building the hype for your look on your social. If you'll be doing an unboxing video for this box, let us know once you've posted it on the channel and we'll be happy to repost the video on it on our YouTube channel, NYX Professional Makeup Singapore. We are currently at 10,000 followers, so it'll be a huge exposure. Thank you, NYX. We hope you'll enjoy this product and hopefully use them to create a look. Please tag all the lovely sponsors on their social and show them some love if you feature them in any of your social posts or hauls. Let us know if you have any questions. We can't wait to meet you on Wednesday. Lots of love, Damon and Simi.
Thank you so much for the letter. Okay, let's get started. Okay, first thing I see these sponges. These are the multi-formula dual sponge. That's so cool. Thank you. Okay, what do we have there? Oh, we have a foundation. Total Control Drop Foundation. Not my shade, but I can really use this for, you know, creative looks, which is awesome. And we have Total Control Mesh Cushion Foundation. I'm excited to try this. I hear good reviews or good things about this cushion foundation, so I'm excited to give it a try. Oh, we got one more Love Contours All palette. Oh, fancy vinyls! I love their vinyl collection. They are all my colors, my kind of colors, like dark red, burgundy, you know, that kind of colors. So we have 4 here. Four shades. Okay, we have, this is the Strictly Vinyl Eyeliner. Okay, this is in Alliance. This, it looks so pretty. This is in Chrome. It's purple, dark purple. And this is, I think this is grey, dark grey. This is called Dauntless. I think so, Dauntless. If I'm not wrong, it looks like that. Like dark grey. And this is in Hazy. This is a blood red or dark red. It looks light here, but it's not. It's a bit dark. Oh, I can see more glitters in this box. I got 3 glitters. 3 glitters. Okay. So this is gunmetal. Oh, nice. Dubai bronze. Oh, I love a good bronze shade or glitter. This is Peacock. Is blue, is turquoise or bluish, like teal, I think. It's very nice. Ooh, so the rest are all lip products. Okay, first I have here is the matte lip liner, Suede Matte Lip Liner Crayon. Like that, can you see? And we have 3 Soft Matte Lip Cream. Oh, I love their lip cream. Oh, so we have 3 Soft Matte Lip Cream, but 2 of them are metallic lip cream. So this is in Milan. It's like a coral, like pink shade. This is in Dubai. And the last one is Beijing. last but not least, very excited. Like I said, I love the vinyl collection, so I'm excited to try these two. What is it? This is the lip gloss, I think. This is the, oh yeah, strictly vinyl lip gloss. So we have one in Night Walker. This is like a dark purple. This is in Bad Girl. I'm just gonna try one because I cannot wait. I'm very impatient. Okay, let's try this. Let's swatch it on our hand. It's so pretty and it's very pigmented. We are done! Thank you so much NYX Professional Makeup Singapore for this crazy opportunity, for the second chance to be in top 15. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it, and of course to the sponsors, to L'Oreal Colorista, to Vichy, and also to Garnier. I really appreciate the goodies. Thank you so much. And this year's Face Awards is based on 100% voting, and if you think I deserve to be in top 6, please vote for me. I really need it. Thank you so much, and I am excited. I told you, cats and boxes. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. I am excited for the next challenge, which is Drop Dead Gorgeous, and look out for my look, and of course my post on Instagram. I'll definitely post a few looks, like, you know, for me. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Mwah.